Hello student, welcome to BRS Accountancy. In this video I'm going to solve another problem of bank reconciliation statement. Here I have brought with question. Here you can see on June 30, 2014 the bank balance of Nissan Hoptisos cash book was rupees 1500. On comparing with the passbook, the following information was received. These are the information we receive from from this. So these are the transaction that has been entered in the passbook but not in the cash book. So from this entries, from this information, we have to prepare the bank reconciliation statement. So our first entry, as you know, this will be our first entry since it is a balance of cash book of rupees 1500. I have already written here that amount, that bank balance as per cash book, that is 1500. Our next entry is, here you can see, check amounting to rupees 7290 was issued on June 28th, of which one check of rupees 1300 was presented in the bank for payment on July 4. Here they have given two amount, but the actual amount we will write in the bank reconciliation statement is the 1300. Why is this? Because this is the only amount that has been presented in the bank for payment. So the only amount that has been presented in the bank will appear in the cash book, and the remaining amount we don't have to see that one, because these are the amount. This amount was issued but not presented in the bank for payment. So we will write only the amount which has been presented for payment. So we will write our first entry, that is, we'll write A, and we will write add. Since it's presented for payment, we will write add, and we will write check issued but not presented. Why we write this? Because this 1300 is that amount that has been presented in the bank for payment, right? So we will write this one 1300 here. So our next entry is check was deposited in the bank for rupees 10,000. However, check for 4,000 was cleared. That means we have paid a check, we have deposited a check of rupees 10,000, out of which 4,000 was cleared. That means only that 4,000 should appear in the bank reconciliation statement, as same as the previous this one. We will write only this amount, not this amount, because only this amount was cleared and credited. So we will less this amount. Since they have cleared this one amount, we will less from here in our cash book. We'll write less, and we will write check deposited but not collected, that is rupees 4,000 in the minus column. Since it less, we will enter in the minus column. Our next entry is interest and dividend on investment of rupees 580 collected by the bank and credited to his account, though he did not have any information for this. This means the bank has received an interest and dividend on his investment. The bank has collected interest and dividend, but he was not informed about this interest and dividend. He was not informed about this amount. So after he get the information, he wrote this amount in his cash book. So we have to add this amount in our bank reconciliation statement by writing interest and dividend. So we will, since it's add, we will write in the plus item, that is rupees 580. Our next entry is life insurance premium was paid by bank according to his standing instruction. This means life insurance premium was paid by the bank as per the instruction of the bank customer. So this account is prepared by bank customer, as you know. So this 750 should be less since the bank has already paid the insurance premium. So our next entry will be less, and we'll write life insurance premium. Paid we will write for reference. So that amount will be in the minus column, that is 750. And our last entry is bank charges of rupees 25 was not recorded in the cash book. This means this rupees 25 as a bank charge was not recorded in the cash book. So we will record in the cash book, we will write less, and we will write bank charges. We'll write 25 here, and we'll total the amount. Since our entry is over, we will total the amount and we'll see which side amount is bigger and smaller. After calculation, we get this amount. In the minus item, we got 4,775, and in the plus item, we got 3,380. Since this side is smaller and this side is bigger, the balance should be written in the minus column. After minusing these two, we got 1,395. That means this amount, since it is in the minus item, it is the overdraft of the bank. That means it is the overdraft amount in the passbook. Overdraft means debit balance, or which is used over and above the balance in the bank account. So we will write here overdraft or debit balance as per passbook. So for today, only this much. We have completed this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and support us to make such kind of video for you, educational topics and knowledgeable topics. Thank you and have a great day.